Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and this video is really just a compilation of proving that I'm actually outside in the garden getting things accomplished. I feel like I've had weeks and weeks where I've been daydreaming about doing stuff and not getting any of it done. And today I've been in fast gear because it's a beautiful day. And the rest of the week is going to be a lot colder. So I'm gonna take this border on right now. And well, just gonna tell you, it feels great to feel like I am actually accomplishing something that's tangible. I hope you'll be inspired. Well, I sure feel good getting this cleaned up. I think what I will end up doing next time I have the opportunity to come out and garden is get this mulched. It'll look neat and tidy for the winter. And all of this stuff will, of course, come back to life in the spring once the soil gets warm. So I do hope you'll be inspired by this quick winter gardening cleanup, and I look forward to sharing more updates right here from my now Zone 8 Central North Carolina garden. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Happy gardening.